Hi, this is Grace at the Monroe Ben Franklin, and today we're going to be making a specimen jar, and this is going to be, our specimen is our eyeballs. We're going to use some styrofoam balls and color them with some Sharpie paint pens to make our little eyeball. And then this is what you'll need to fill your jar with, so some vegetable glycerin. You'll also need some water, and then we're using some glitter and then some food coloring to kind of tint the water a bit. And then E6000 just to glue the rim shut so we don't have any accidents later. We have a couple done, so we'll kind of show you what those look like. But this one, it's kind of hard to see, but it has a little rat in there, a little plastic rat, so you can kind of put whatever you want in there. A little brain would be really cute. We also have this one, which has like little cockroaches inside. So it's kind of like a little Halloween version of a snow globe. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started and color in our eyeball. So I'm going to take the black paint Sharpie and just color a circle in the middle. Like so. And then you can take your color of choice, and we're going to follow along the outside to make our iris. All right. And then you're going to take your red and kind of make little squiggly lines coming off of your iris, just to kind of make it look like it has some veins.
Angle.
Okay, so just finish here and then put it in the jar. All right, so we have our eyeball. And I have all the rest already kind of finished. Just going to plop it in there. And then we're going to go ahead and fill it up with our liquids. All right, so I'm going to add a little bit of green food coloring into my jar. And then I'm going to add some vegetable glycerin. Usually you try to do about 1/3 of your jar glycerin. You can even do half. And then do the rest water. So I'm going to use the rest of this. The more glycerin you add, the longer your glitter will kind of spin around in the water. All right, so I finished adding my glycerin, and I'm just going to add my water. And then after my water, I'm going to add some of our glitter. You can add however much you kind of want. And then we're going to E6000 the lid shut. So I'm just going to go around the rim here. Kind of just add some to that threads of the jar. So, screw on my lid. And then we'll just shake it up. And there you have your little eyeball specimen jar. Hope you guys enjoy making this craft, and hope to see you next time.